Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I've got 2 unboxings for you. What do I have? I have 2 of Michaels Make Market brand Christmas canvases from last year's Christmas collection. These are the last 2 Christmas canvases I have from Make Market. The next ones will be of the summer collection. These were requested from a subscriber. They wanted to see the canvases. And if any of these look appealing to you, let me know. Have you completed these? Do they come out good? These are all questions I want answered, if you can answer them. All right, let's see what I've got. The Christmas tree. I think I've already unboxed these when I got them, but I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. But let's take a look and see. All right, nothing else in there. This is a 16 by 20 with 35 colors. 16 by 20, 35 colors. Nope, I don't think I've unboxed it. Here is your toolkit, your pen, your wax, your tray, and these are good baggies as opposed to little baggies. Don't need that. Oh, no, I don't think I've unboxed this. Here is our instructions. Wow. Very nice. Look at this. Let's see. 35 colors. Obviously, I can't tell by the color grid if there's any specials, but and it's a square. It is a square. Oh, there is a special drill, guys. There is. Let's see. Okay, number 35, which is the it's going to be all scattered throughout the tree. Here, 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 here. It's going to be scattered throughout the tree. It is this one, a white AB. I don't think there's any other ones. Nope. I think those are the only ones. Yep. No other special drills. Yep. Okay, let me see if I can get these back in here. Okay. Lots of pretty blues. Look at the light blue, dark blues. And you got the white ABs. all. So I think that's the only areas where that AB is going to be is in the tree. It's just going to be in the tree. See in here? And then it'll be at the top. The star. And then this is all black with some blues. This is going to be pretty. A lot of color blocking on the outside. If you're a color blocking fan, you will love this. So let me know. You can email me if you're interested in this. Make me an offer. Let's see. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this back the way it's supposed to go in the package. So at least there's an AB in it, guys, the white one. I really didn't know. All right, let me see if I can get this back in this bag. I did. I got it back in. Woohoo! Okay. I'm going to put it open side up and put the tray toolkit right in there. $16 by $20 square, and that's what it's going to look like when it's done. With shine, it'll have some shine. The next one is a Christmas door. I think that's what it's called. It's called Red Door. The other one was called Outdoor Tree. Outdoor Tree, and this is Red Door. And it is a 16 by 20, and it is a square as well. And there is our toolkit. And here's our instructions. And let's put our drills over there. Okay. And this one has 40 colors. Very pretty. And let's see if it has any special drills. Yes, I see a special drill. Is it the pink? Nope. I thought I seen a special drill in here. Okay, I did. It is the white special drills. Here they are, right here. And number 40. And this is 39, which is the same, but this is the AB. So it's going to be the diagonal again, and it's going to be in the wreath. And it's going to be around, scattered around the greenery around the door. So that's what's going to sparkle. So this is what they give you. Not a lot, but I think it'll be enough to make it sparkle. Let's see if I can, without taking out the colors. some reds. See the reds? Pink, some purple, blue, white, pink, some greens. Look at that. Beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. And 16, I think, is going to be the door. P. Yep. This is the color of the door. That's why they call it red door, because it's red. And it is indeed a square. Hope you're interested in this one. Let me know. 16 by 20, and what's good about these is Michaels sells frames for these. So when you complete it, you just go to Michaels and pick yourself up a frame. Nothing fancy. I mean, they have nice frames, don't get me wrong. But you don't have to buy a custom frame, because since they have this canvas, they're going to have a frame to go with it. So I would absolutely, you could absolutely get a frame without a problem and without spending a lot of money. Okay, let's see if I can get it back in the package. Let's see. I did. Everything's back in there. 16 by 20 square. If this is something you can see yourself completing, let me know. I am pampered with diamonds, and I do like these two. I think I like the door better because it doesn't have as much color blocking, and I'm a confetti person, but the tree has got a lot of confetti. But this has a lot of color blocking here, and the tree has a lot of color blocking around the perimeter of the tree. Both squares, 16 by 20, they both have one AB, which is the white. So if this is something you would like to do, let me know. Have a great day and be kind.